feel yet. Still you fight with what you're told and hold on to your scar.
Two of us, deep in the ocean, bubble love, we got our devotion. You pulled me in so fast, you caught my breath, and long gone winter waves are our own craves. Tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm right, is something striking. Every time you set it out, my heart stops beating. Like two clouds in the sky, we collide and slowly, chest to chest, you are mine, only forever. Don't you try to hide it, we're so alike, babe. You're a blessing found in paradise. Wanna scream out loud, girl, the nature's watching. You're a blessing found in paradise. We could be drinking wine in Paris, dreaming of a house on an island. I'm not the type of guy to promise stars. With you I'm flying up to stellar heights. Tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm right, is something striking. Every time you set it out, my heart stops beating. Like two clouds in the sky, we collide and slowly, chest to chest, you are mine, only forever. Don't you try to hide it, we're so alike, babe. You're a blessing found in paradise. Wanna scream out loud, girl, the nature's watching. You're a blessing found in paradise.
sofa with you, wearing sweatpants and drinking red wine. Kick our feet, watch TV, eat Chinese, fall asleep with your fingers lacing with mine. We just take a load out, baby. Let's just at the door, gone with every little thing that's got you down. Not your job, not your boss, not the guys that they talk. We'll shadow them all and just leave them on the ground. And then come a little closer. Let's just
It's as simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. It will never grow old, even when we grow up. It's up to us to stop and smell each rose. They're the colors that we show. It's the feeling that we trust, and it's the brush that we both carry. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. When you're searching hard and it seems to lead to nowhere, no matter where you are, know I'll always be there. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find you don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. If the Mona Lisa canvas ripped, I wouldn't care, 'cause I could picture you. If the Tower of Pisa finally tipped, well then you'd know how hard I fell for you. If the world stopped turning tomorrow, if it all fell into the sea, I'd let it sink to the bottom, 'cause I only care about one thing, you know. None of it matters as much as you matter to me. If the Big Ben Tower ceased to ring, it's okay, 'cause I could sing for you. If every flower went extinct, my heart would still be blossoming for you. If the world stopped turning tomorrow, if it all fell into the sea, I'd let it sink to the bottom, 'cause I only care about one thing, you know. None of it matters as much as you matter to me. No, none of it matters as much as you matter to me. If everything changed,